I remember the first time I stumbled upon philippinesbrands.com. It was like discovering a hidden treasure trove of unique, high-quality hoodies and sweaters that I never knew I needed in my life. Each piece was a work of art, meticulously crafted with attention to detail that was simply unparalleled. As I scrolled through the website, my eyes widened with excitement at the sight of the vibrant colors and intricate designs that adorned each garment. From bold geometric patterns to delicate floral motifs, there was something for every style and taste. But what truly set philippinesbrands.com apart was the fact that each hoodie and sweater was truly one of a kind. No mass-produced, cookie-cutter designs here. Each piece was handcrafted by skilled artisans, making it a true labor of love. I couldn't resist adding a few pieces to my cart, knowing that I was not only getting a beautiful garment, but also supporting local craftsmanship and talent. And when my order arrived, I was blown away by the quality and attention to detail that went into each piece. From the soft, luxurious fabrics to the flawless stitching and embroidery, it was clear that these hoodies and sweaters were made to last. I felt a sense of pride knowing that I was wearing something truly special, something that couldn't be found in any mainstream store. So if you're looking to stand out from the crowd and make a statement with your wardrobe, look no further than philippinesbrands.com. Trust me, once you experience the beauty and craftsmanship of their unique hoodies and sweaters, you'll never want to shop anywhere else.